In this video, I'm going to break down a trade that took just seconds, but most traders would take the opposite sides and lose. This trade gave me 1.5%, and I show you exactly how I found it, what I was looking at, and most importantly, how you could take the same trade with a strong reward to risk ratio. First of all, let's look at the chart. We can see that the price is holding within a range, where we have a strong visible high at the top and two very clear lows that attract a lot of traders. Now, here is an important part. As we are in an uptrend, as you can see here, I assume there are traders looking to open long positions. But where will all of them place their stop losses? Exactly below their lows. Imagine you open a long position here or here. You will most likely place your stop below those lows. That's the common principle and the most typical place where traders put their stop losses. This is the perfect setup I am looking for. Remember, market distributes money between traders, so in order for me to make money, someone else has to lose it. If I know where traders are opening long positions, I also know where they will force to exit, and that becomes my opportunity to take a short. Using the order book, I can clearly see that at this level there is a huge limit order. There are not just random orders, this is a liquidity, including stop losses and racing sell orders. Right after the price executes all the orders, I open a short position to get the fast move down. Traders get stopped out and I get a clean entry. And now let's see how it played out. As you can see, the price slowly approaches the level and I place a limit order to sell just after the break. As soon as the price breaks the level, boom, a very quick reaction. All the orders are executing at the same time, which creates a strong impulse down. This is a very clean and simple setup. The risk is minimal because you are not guessing, you are reading the price action and understanding why the move is happening. These situations happen every day. The more times a level is tested, the stronger the potential impulse becomes. As you can see, I use the order book to identify the exact area for entry and to spot large limit orders. This is actually a free order book that everyone can install and use. It connects directly to Binance, so it's very easy to integrate into your day trading workflow. And it can give you a real edge in the market. To make it easier for you, I created a short course with 5 lessons where I show how to install it, which settings you actually need, how to connect everything properly. I also included 3 live trades recorded in real time, where you can see exactly how I use the order book to find these setups. As a bonus, you will also get the most useful tools that every trader should have. So check it out, I'm confident it will instantly improve your trading. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video.